Jake here for Extreme Terrain, and today I'm taking a look at the Red Rock hood deflector in gloss black, fitting 2021 and newer Broncos. Now, adding a hood deflector is one of the best and easiest ways to protect your Broncos paint, and this one from Red Rock provides a sleek, low-profile design that looks cool and gives you some extra armor to the front end of your rig, and it does it all for the best price in the category. If you've ever had something fly up and hit the front end of your rig as you're cruising along down the highway or buzzing along down a trail, you know that sinking feeling in the pit of your gut, just wondering how bad the damage is gonna be. But if you want to avoid that feeling altogether, then a hood protector is the way to go. Now this one from Red Rock might just be one of the coolest ones out there because it looks so good on the front end of the Bronco. Now, unlike a lot of other hood protectors that we've seen in the past, this one features a really sleek, low-profile design that matches the lines of the hood on the Bronco pretty much perfectly. So it's not going to stick up or impact visibility in any way. It blends in very nicely with the styling, and it also extends a bit onto the leading edge of the hood. So you can see it comes down a little bit here. So it's going to protect the area on the vehicle that is one of the most susceptible to rock chips and other debris. Now this does kick up a little bit at the back here, serving as a bit of a wind deflector as well. Gives you some added style and protection, and it also extends on the edges here out to the leading edge of the Bronco's fenders to match up with the rails that you have there on the sides too, which all makes me feel like it looks like it could have been a factory accessory just because, again, it blends in so darn well. Now this deflector in particular is made from injection molded ABS plastic, and it's actually pretty thick, as you can see. Now as far as these sorts of pieces go, it's going to be able to stand up to those rocks and other debris like bugs and dirt too. ABS is a really durable material, and it's still got a little bit of give to it, so that means it's not going to shatter or crack. It's also going to be able to withstand the elements. Now this one has a glossy black finish over the top, so it does provide a nice contrast with any paint color. As we know, black looks good with everything. And while this one is not see-through, it looks like an additional piece of trim as opposed to appearing like one of those more old school style hood protectors. So if you like that look, this is going to be a great setup for you. Pricing for this one comes in at about $110, making it the least expensive hood deflector on the market for the Bronco. And considering how well this one integrates with the front end, also the quality of the construction, and the fact that getting your hood fixed or repainted is going to cost quite a bit more, I would say this one is well worth that money. Installation is also very easy, and this one gets a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter. This is purely a peel and stick sort of setup, and you've got this 3M double-sided tape already installed on the back to mount it. Should only take you about 15 minutes to get the whole thing installed. Just make sure your hood is cleaned and prepped well before you attempt to get it on. And to walk you through that process now, let's head over to the install bay.
For this install, you will need the provided adhesion promoter cleaning pads. What's up guys, today we're going to be installing a hood deflector on our Bronco, so let's get started. So to start things off, we're going to come to our hood here, and we're going to grab our provided adhesion promoter / cleaner wipe. Go ahead and pull that out. Then we're going to go ahead and just follow our body line across the front of our hood here, and all this area around the edge of the front of our hood. We're just going to give that a good quick wipe down. Just make sure any dirt and debris are off of our hood. Then we're going to go ahead and grab our hood deflector. Now this simply sticks into place. We're going to remove our small corner covers here for our adhesive strips. We're going to peel both of those off. Then we're going to peel off our center strips as well. Do that for both sides. Peel off our other, go ahead, peel these other small ones off. Then for our outer ones and our longitudinal ones, we're gonna go ahead and begin peeling them back. We're not gonna fully remove them just yet. Peel back an inch or two, and then you're going to fold these to the outside like so. Do the same thing for our top and bottom adhesive strips. And this is so we can access them as we install this and not fully stick it into place just yet. Okay, so once we have that done, we can go ahead and set our deflector into place. And we're just gonna lightly set it on here, matching our lines of our hood. Come right down flush with the front of our hood here. And we'll just give a light press on our edges so those small corner strips can kind of hold it in place. We'll tack it in. Then once we have that done, we can go ahead and begin peeling off all of our larger strips. Go ahead. That off. Our side one. Go ahead and peel our top one off. Now you notice we still haven't pushed down hard on this. We can go ahead and kind of pop this back up because our strip did kind of fold back in. Now that we have all of our strips off, we're happy with our placement. We'll move this side down. We can go ahead and give everything a firm press. Stick that into place. Alrighty guys, that about wraps up our review and install of our Red Rock hood deflector and gloss black finish for your 21 to current Bronco. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Bronco, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.